Hey there. Today, we're going to look at how to make a Game Pass in Please Donate. So let's get started. First, head to the Roblox website. Once you are there, go to the top and tap on the Create button. This will take you to the Creator dashboard. Next, select Creations and make sure Experience is chosen. Every Roblox player has their own place by default. Tap on your place to open the overview page. On the left side, click on Passes under the Monetization tab. This is where you create your Game Pass to get donations in PL's Donate. If you do not have any passes yet, tap Create Pass. Now upload an image for your pass. Add a name and description that will show to buyers when they view their Game Passes. It is a good idea to make the name and description attractive, like a thank you message. Once ready, tap Create Pass. After that, go back and tap on the pass and go to Sales. Switch on the item for sale and set a price. For example, if you want a 5 Robux donation, enter 5. Roblox takes 30%, so you keep 70%. Finally, save your changes. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.